What's going on, y'all? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, cleanpowerwash.com, Salisbury, Maryland. So I am on my way. I've got a whole bunch of chemicals sitting next to me to practice what I preach. Number one, network with other contractors in your area, especially when you're new and when you're established. It's always good to be able to know the other players in the game. Know what they focus on, how you can, I'd always rather lose a job to somebody I know than to the unknown person that I think is whatever. What I want to do is also be able to know what somebody specializes in, or if somebody, other companies aren't equipped to take on bigger projects, or somebody else that's we've thrown jobs to a bunch of different people. I had somebody the other day too who was reaching out to me and said they had a lead in Georgia. Another guy in Maryland had a lead in Georgia, and I was able to send that over to Pat Clark. Hopefully he'll get it. It's a big job. Needs somebody of Pat Clark's character, of his his quality and everything, and that the level that he's at with his business for this particular client. But one of the other local guys, he reached out to me. Oops. Sorry, this is the beauty of this dashboard mount wireless charger. But anyways, he reached out to me. He's got a cedar shake sided house and cedar shake roof. Big property. It's in an area where I usually actually try and send jobs to him or to his former business partner, because it's just not worth it usually for us to head this way. But it'll be a several $1,000 job. And he reached out to me and said, "Hey man, I'd like to essentially give you this job or give you a good chunk of the money from it. He's like, I don't have the experience to do this, but I really want to get this job done, impress this customer, etc., etc." So again, I've got my box of chemicals and a couple of sprayers and stuff. We're going to do some demos for this customer, sell them on it, help this other contractor learn, make some money in the process. He makes money in the process, keeps that relationship going, builds that up. This guy also buys bleach off of me, and just helping him. I mean, he's earlier on in the stages of business. So it's good to be able to do that. It's fun to be able to go out and, help somebody else close a job. We'll make some videos, show you guys kind of some of the process and everything. And especially with cedar shakes, you definitely want it. That's something you want to go out and always do that estimate in person, even more than, any other things, which I like to go out anyways. But with shakes, there can be a different, how old the shakes are. We did one earlier this year where the shakes were like that thin. They were not thick shakes, and so we had to clean them a little bit differently. I had to price it differently because I knew it was going to be more, more involved with that. Ultimately, get to make some cool videos to show you guys and answer a few more of those questions that everybody's always asking about how to clean wood. So, anyways, have a great day. Help others, network, and the other nice thing too is that if you can give jobs to people that are near you but not quite in your same area, hopefully you can also get them to not want to come to your area as much. So, have a great day. See ya.